Yamadofuna Kwaba, everybody Bena TV BM and you find here the update on the Kasoa Winneba road realization project and bro with specific interest at the Budumburam road underpass and the bro Nemo from the aerial view the progress of work so far. If I'm a Ghana's Chaben, but on all socials no me or YouTube, we whom Ben TV official, TikTok, Ben TV, Facebook and see Ghana's Chaben na yet me a go together. Na yeah my Ghana so it's me so this is a 4K drone shot of the Budumburam underpass. What do you say? A koye papa. Me no ka say engineers no a divert traffic in abeto the highway no. It's me try me who simaba na me the update ni na bro from the Budumburam road underpass. Pacho and then the first time I need the man who like a video no na ina yet me a go together. Once again, you from me Ghana's Achaben and this is the Ben Achachi. That's it. Nice one. Now, I feel somewhere to 2024. And I buy no no so somewhere no. Edebetu just say. Oba baby be a friend the Kasoa Winneba road project. Kasoa Winneba road no be beam into a dualized stretch. Now, amane boy ebetu just say 16 foot bridges. Ebeko so kwan we so. Foot bridges mako edunsia. Sounds na underpasses. And so mienu ana flyover baako. Winneba underpass there, it was an afterthought. A buying way by the current administration by Anna or the Becca project and sign extension of that project. Eco PM work Mankesima Menoka say engineers Eguso Muye under the big push program. It's Kasoa Winneba road project started from Crispo City. Na could be Winneba roundabout. Na start here no as a cafe kajo project na baso enkoso enkofo edia beni kofo kasa da ben anombe wie sa project we a chedo o ma chew project we do da ben na contractor be wie mfutu okuyen ni e blast abo China for blast abo na ekum nkofo wow na enkofo buafu no mo de ade akobo Chinese ni team kukon. What do you say? Nina, ya report wa ha e wo de Ben Achachi e ma mu ye. Ntene se kwan na shape so beautifully. Mu kan see free baby and aba bedu baby a yedu sisi yi. And contractor say dwumadi na hye nensa ye fe Nag Fairmount. Ono na say dwumadi we na hye nensa. Say the Kasoa to Winneba stretch no obedu justice to that particular project. Esi sa na hye ne che. Me kai emre bi project we sha se bi mu so e kowa so so but this is a government of Ghana road project. Akoso in the last 2.5 years, I mean, okay, say Jumadi no Eguswa Ekoso. Now by next year, no, I say engineers are here some project so Bibi Abe this is a Ghana for Almofa the central corridor no Omunya a relief when they are applying their route from Accra through Winneba to Mankesim, Cape Coast and beyond. What do you say? It is an ancient change. Yaba Budumburam, ya the update in our bro. So don't forget, say, Ufi Crispo City. Now do we need a team Budumburam? This is the new development. Menoka say engineers, it's very footbridges, and one thing very unique about the footbridges or the Kasoa Winneba road project this way, and yet a concrete footbridge. Let's say you who of Anko and a motorway, we know only concrete staircase, ana omde dade no atoso nti dade no ana ne sena so no ana beams no ni na dade ti sa as you are seeing in your shot say dade and that concrete in so no what do you say nti that's how stylish this footbridges are unique enu bi na omayo La Paz in recent times no what do you say it's from Crispo City ebesi Budumburam de footbridges mienu na omatimi ayawia me no kasa mbebie to traffic. Now don't forget it's a 10 lane 8 lane demarcation so omatimi ayeni na bia both expressway no na highway no omatimi go asphalt binder course ni na awie me no kasa stone based works also on sections of the service lanes it is an change way the footbridge what the Budumburam underpass, very close to the underpass. Once you get here, you are almost getting close to the Budumburam underpass no enti me no ka say utim say workers no and engineers no and a good service lane so a omo boy so both service lanes in na we see you trains air course so na sand based works and earthworks air course ho and omo diverted traffic ni na ababeto highway no na express lane na dwumadie no air course kama don't forget so the kind yes adie we but amfa because na sand based no mo ye wo the Budumburam Underpass fa pempapa no eni ase eti cars mebrin so totoye no start say kika okwan so eti contractor and strategy no and some divert traffic no call service lane so and of fail the underpass with granite and na aboa ama cars ni edi o makoni aba kama bibia edida na kwam na ohwe underpass na just at the right side of the underpass no the service lane na ufi enkan na wodi wani chemu ewo ewutu break no and Winneba no na that side no so mo gustom base no so ama ni ko nim and just at the other side no so mo gu your friend is saying the friend is sand base, it's almost sand base, no, not stone base, and so ADHD, it's sanity. And don't forget, so there's going to be a roundabout at the top deck of the underpass. It's use service lanes, U10, and now my roundabout, take a round drive around the roundabout, now be also, it's me, I come, and Tian for Christmas City, now over Budumburam, no person come back to Kasoa, what better you see the service lane no be for the top deck na da no na bibia kama into team say right after the underpass no odi weni eche ewutu breakuni na odi say some base works no and ekoso bibia kama and I'm very impressed with the work so far engineers no aye especially on the service lanes Budumburam Underpass. Etimino kasa utim say edwumadie na and ekoso no the various U drains no and ekoso no sanso na ohwe bebi esese omo retaining wall no so na edwumadie no ekoso it is so far so good no engineers no egusua edwuma bibia kama. Don't forget say ohwe the stretch from Kasoa eko Winneba na quite a lengthy stretch and engineers no etime good the first layer of asphalt today we broni friend asphalt binder course no ohwe from Winneba roundabout wenim kakra na from Winneba Underpass no odi weni kire gomwa poten any river yenso area ho na omatime gu both sides of the road na asphalt binder course no aba be fa ochrekon aba be fa dominance odi ba akoti ho kakra no otime ye asphalt no on both lanes ni na awie samso na ubedu akoti na utwa akoti flyover no na ufi akoti eba ewutu breku a both the expressway no and one service lane omagu asphalt binder course no ni na awie ama eno so kama sanso na ubedu ewutu breku na ufe ewutu breku eba edweni kirem ewo Budumburam expressway na highway ni mi no omagu asphalt binder course no eno so ni na awie sanso na upa Budumburam Underpass na udweni kirem Christmas City the inception point of this project na both service lanes no both expressway and highway no eno so omagu asphalt binder course no ni na awie aka service lane na say o master tiem your friends and sealant surface and a stone base your reporting muhu there also it's engineers in the omo boy anytime any day any moment e be ko bia no utum say the progress of work you know very very stupendous in omo boy papa edema on my Ghana live update Kasoa Winneba road realizations way utum say you drain construction no and ekoso kama excavator no dig from excavating boama engineers no ayo mudwumadie no ama bibia so etime kama August a live telecast Kasoa Winneba road realization project and I love the street light Jenny the Ghana flag at decorative street light pole no na a guy it is ana insanity eti yankoso ni enjoy the updates from the Kasoa Winneba road realization project from a Ghana's Acha Ben and of course this is the Ben Acha TV me that say